Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to explore an amazing AI-powered tool called Remaker.ai, a platform that completely revolutionizes the way you edit images and create visuals with the power of artificial intelligence. The link to Remaker.ai is available in the description below. Once you click the link and create your account, you'll land on a dashboard just like this. Here, you can see all of Remaker's tools in one place. This is truly an all-in-one platform. We have photo generator, image generator, portrait generator, headshot generator, LinkedIn profile, photo generator, avatar generator, and many more features to explore. On the left side, you'll also find powerful tools like image upscaler, background remover, magic eraser, image to video, text to video templates, and tons of creative AI tools. Today, let's test its main feature, AI Image Generator. With this tool, you can generate high-quality images in two ways, text to image, image to image. All you need to do is enter a prompt, choose the model, select aspect ratio, and hit generate. Let's try our first example. I'll enter the prompt. Create a short demo showing how Remaker.ai turns a text description into a high-quality picture. Then I'll choose the model, select the image ratio, the number of images, and click generate. And as you can see, Remaker instantly creates an image based on my text. If I like the result, I can simply download it with one click. Now let's try another prompt. Aesthetic portrait of a girl standing near a window, soft lighting, natural look, calm expression, high quality photo. This time, I'll select the model Flux Realism, choose the aspect ratio, and hit generate. And once again, the tool creates a perfect portrait according to my description. Let's try one more. A deep sea scene with vibrant corals, diverse marine life, and an enchanting underwater landscape. Colorful, 8K resolution, highly detailed. After selecting the model and aspect ratio, I'll generate the image. And you can see it produces a stunning underwater scene exactly as described. This shows how powerful the text-to-image feature is. You can also use image-to-image to recreate or enhance any picture you want. Remaker.ai has many more AI tools you can explore under the AI tool section, such as face swap, talking photo, video background, removal AI avatars, and many other creative options. These features make it easier than ever to create professional visuals for YouTube, Instagram, thumbnails, or personal projects. Now let's move on to the dashboard of Remaker.ai. Here you can see there are multiple tools available, including photo generator, photo editing tools, AI removal, tools, AI photo enhancer. Today we'll try the AI background remover. All you need to do is click on the background remover tool and upload your image. The AI will automatically remove the background in seconds. For example, let's upload this main image. And as you can see, the background is removed perfectly, giving a clean full HD quality result. If you like the result, you can download it instantly by clicking the download button. But that's not all. You can also change the background, upscale the image for even higher quality. Let's try one more example. I'll upload this image of a girl, and just like before, the AI removes the background in one click, quickly and effortlessly. This tool is perfect for creating thumbnails, social media content, or any project where you need a clean, professional image background. Let's explore another powerful feature, AI Face Restore. With this tool, you can improve and restore your images in just a few clicks. All you need to do is upload your photo. For example, I'll use this image of a man. Once uploaded, Remaker.ai automatically starts enhancing the image quality. And here you can clearly see the difference with the before and after preview. If you like the result, you can download it instantly. And of course, you can try it with more images. Image to video tool. Now let's check out the video tools section. One of the highlights here is the image to video tool, which allows you to convert any image into a video in seconds. Here's how it works. Upload an image. For example, this image of a couple. Enter a prompt describing what you want in the video. Select the aspect ratio and resolution. Hit generate and wait patiently while the AI processes the video. And there you go. Remaker.ai has created a video based on your prompt. It's really that easy to transform your images into stunning, high-quality videos. Now, our next feature is AI photo face swap and video face swap. With this tool, you can swap any face in just a few seconds. Once I click on the feature, you'll see multiple options like single face swap, multi-face swap, batch face swap, and even video face swap. I'll show you how it works. First, I'll upload my source image. Then I'll upload the target image. After that, just hit the create button and the system will start processing. Once it's done, you can see the final result here. It swaps the face perfectly and very easily. You can also download your results and even try swapping faces in videos. Super simple and super fun to use. Remaker.ai is truly an all-in-one AI tool, perfect for creators who want to generate images, enhance photos, remove backgrounds, or create videos, all in one place. The link to try it out is in the description below. You definitely don't want to miss it. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.